This is a 15 centimeter scale. On this scale, we have few smaller divisions and few longer divisions. Each smaller division that shows me the reading in millimeter, and each longer division gives me the reading in centimeter. We always have to start from 0 and say we are reaching here on 1, it shows me 1 centimeter, then here it's 2 centimeter, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Now whenever we have to draw a line segment, we have to just smoothly keep this scale on our notebook and hold it tightly with the help of the fingers. Say I wanted to draw a line segment that measures 4 centimeter. So with the help of pencil, I will put a sharp point here corresponding to 0. Then I will put a point corresponding to 4. After this, I will join these 2 points and I will remove my scale. Now here, this point will be labeled as A. This point will be labeled as B. To denote the line segments, we always use capital alphabets. Now here, it is of 4 centimeter. So this is AB that has the length 4 centimeter, and we denote it like this, AB. We put a bar on this. This shows line segment AB. This has the length 4 centimeters.